Creating superior affiliate marketing websites. You're already in tune with the basics of affiliate marketing. You want to make sure you're also armed with the information you need to create a website designed for optimum traffic flow. Most internet marketers and affiliate managers highly recommended that you only promote one product per page. This ensures clarity and consistency for the viewer. It also makes it easier for you to find and then update or change any pertinent information regarding a particular item in your affiliate lineup. Superior affiliate marketing websites are designed to be appealing to your target audience. The term appealing can easily be misconstrued to mean your affiliate marketing site should be full of visual effects and other attention-grabbing additions. In the world of business, a cumbersome or slow-loading website does not always carry with it desired headway. It's best to have a website that will give a good first impression from the moment your visitors arrive. Color schemes need to be chosen with caution. Dark text on a light background is the standard, simply because it is easiest on the eyes. Use clear and consistent language throughout your affiliate pages. Communication is the key with your visitors and potential clients. Do so in a manner which assures them that doing business with you won't be a mistake. There is a simple yet effective way of providing your visitors with quality, informative pages without having to purchase multiple domain names for each affiliate product. Consider using WordPress for your website needs. You'll be able to create fantastic pages with little to no knowledge of HTML, because they make creating web pages simple so anyone can do it. WordPress allows you the benefit of advertising your affiliate products, as well as your blog in the same location. By creating a different page on your WordPress blog for each of your affiliate products, you have a location to advertise which happens to be a magnet for viewers, so to speak. While designing your website or blog page, consider the mindset of the viewer, whether they are a regular buyer or a prospect. Make the visitor's experience pleasant while they are on your page. Pay particular attention to issues of ordering and item display. Websites which contain what you think is best for traffic isn't always the ideal configuration. Be informative and concise for your visitors to receive their information with clarity. A superior affiliate website combines excellent design with superb navigation. Links should clearly indicate what the click will lead to. Regular updates are imperative, and easy access to information will provide you with an affiliate page worthy of the superior title.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.